G'day everyone. Today we are making burgers, so beef patties. I am so hungry I could eat this mince raw. I'm absolutely starving. So let's get into it. What you're going to need for this, keeping it pretty simple, it's going to need half an onion, an egg, mince, doesn't matter how much, 500 grams or so, breadcrumbs, tomato sauce, a bowl to mix it all in, and a chopping board, and a good sharp knife. Alright, so we've chucked in the mince, we've chucked in the onions, put in 1 egg, put in 1 cup of breadcrumbs, and of course the mince. Add in a bit of cumin, chuck in a bit of tomato sauce, and mix it all in. Okay, that is mixed in nicely. Now we just got to make the beef patties out of this. Just throw some flour down and start making yourself some patties. So you just get the rough shape of it, roll it around. Yeah, I get it nice and covered. And put them away for cooking on the barbie later. I'm starving. I've got the fire going. I've added a couple more bricks to it just to give it some height. And I've been going around the property just looking for some cast-offs. So let's build ourselves a bit of a quick and dirty bushman's barbie. Found these steel rods. Nice and easy. Just lay them across here. Got a hot plate. Let's put that there to heat up. And for the beef patties, got that nice little bit of a grill. So we'll just let this fire go, burn down to some embers, and then we'll start cooking. Patty number 1. I'll cook them on the hot plate for a while, then I'll chuck them onto the grill just to get that nice flame grilled look to it. And last but not least, farm fresh eggs. Mum and Dad's chickens. Nice. Add on a nice layer of cheese to the patties. That'll just melt in nicely. Well, there you have it. Quick and easy dirty burgers for my homemade barbecue. Bacon, egg and beef patty burger. My favourite. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe. And everyone, get out in the bush and have some fun.